Let's draw a dinosaur.
Artsy with Mariah.
Welcome to Artsy with Mariah, where we turn a blank piece of paper into a colorful masterpiece. All you're gonna need for today's video is a piece of paper, a pencil, and something to color with. Let's go on our drawing adventure. Before we start, I wanna thank these kids for today's drawing idea. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a really cool new trick I like to use to add more detail to my drawings. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off by using a pencil instead of a marker. Using a pencil, I am going to start by creating basic shapes to make up our dinosaur body. First, we're gonna start by making an oval shape. Here is where I'm gonna be putting my oval today. This oval is going to create the body for our dinosaur drawing. Once we have our oval, we're gonna add the long neck to our dinosaur. We're gonna do that by creating a line that goes up right here and another line that goes up alongside it, almost creating a tube-like shape. If you guys ever feel like I'm going a little too fast, please feel free to pause the video or even watch it again once we're done. Now I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna add another oval shape, and this is going to be the head for our dinosaur. Now let's add the legs to our dinosaur. We're gonna come down to the bottom of that oval, and that's gonna be our dinosaur's belly. So the legs are gonna come out of the belly, and I'm gonna make them by doing two lines that come down, and then I'll connect them. And I can repeat that process on the other side as well. Now it's time to add a super big tail to our dinosaur drawing. So I'm gonna come to the back of my oval and I'm gonna draw a line that swooshes down from the body. It's gonna go down and then it'll curve right back up. And then to make our tail nice and thick, we're gonna go below that and kind of replicate the same shape. So we're creating a tail coming off the back of our dinosaur body. Now it's time to decorate our dinosaur's body. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some triangles that start off at the top of my dinosaur's head. And I'm gonna let those triangles continue all the way down my dinosaur's neck, over the back, and on top of the tail as well. This is gonna create a really cool effect that goes across our dinosaur's whole body. This will also be a really great way for you guys to practice drawing your triangles. Now let's go up to our dinosaur's face and add our dinosaur's eye. Since we're only seeing one side of our dinosaur's face, we just are gonna add one simple circle right here. And beneath that, we're gonna draw a curve that represents our dinosaur smile. And right in between the smile and the eyes, we're gonna add one dot for our dinosaur's nose. Okay, you guys, we just finished our pencil drawing for our dinosaur. Now, the really cool thing about using a pencil is we can go in and we can erase certain lines that we don't want in our finished product. So, I'm gonna show you guys what lines I'm gonna erase on my dinosaur drawing. First, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna erase the line that is in between our dinosaur's head and our dinosaur's neck. This is gonna make the head and the neck look like they're all connected together. Then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna erase the line between the neck and the dinosaur's body. Now, if you guys don't have a pencil, that's totally okay. These lines are probably going to get covered up when we go in and we use color crayons or markers. So don't worry too much if you can't erase these lines. Then I'm gonna erase the line that's at the top of my dinosaur's tail. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a black marker and I'm gonna go over my pencil drawing and make it nice and thick so it's easy for everybody to see. You guys can take your time doing this, there's no rush. The really nice thing about this is we've already done the hard work. We've already created the outline with our pencil. And so now all we have to do is take a marker and go in and trace over that line. And now for my favorite part of the day, adding in the color. But first, while you guys finish up your drawing, I want to introduce you to my old friend. He's going to share with you guys the word of the day.
Hello friends, my name is Artsy Arthur. My old friend Mariah asked me if I'd be willing to come onto the show and share our word of the day. So let's get to it. Today's word is strength. Strength is having the power and ability to do things, even when they might feel hard. My dinosaur friends, I've observed, have incredible strength. My question for you today, children, is what is something you can do to practice your strength? That's a good thought to munch on, isn't it? That reminds me, I'm rather hungry for a bone. So let's get back to our drawing lesson with my pal Mariah. Toodaloo.
Thank you so much, Arthur. It was so good to see you. Okay, you guys, let's start coloring in our dinosaur drawing. I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna start with the triangles that are on the top of our dinosaur's head. I think I wanna make mine yellow and red. So I'm gonna alternate between colors. I'm gonna start with my yellow. So I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna start filling in every other triangle, starting at the top of my dinosaur's head and going all the way along the body. You guys could pick out any colors for this. There are so many ways that you could make your dinosaur drawing today. Now that I've added in my yellow, I'm gonna go in with my red and I'm just gonna fill in all those other triangles. Awesome job, you guys. This is starting to look really good. I think I want the body of my dinosaur to be a dark green color. So I'm gonna go in with my color crayon and I'm gonna start filling in the body of my dinosaur drawing. I can't wait to see what colors you guys are picking for your dinosaur drawings. And for the very last step, I'm gonna color in the toes on my dinosaur. I'm gonna use that same yellow that I used before, and I'm just gonna fill in right there. And there you have it, our very own dinosaur drawing. I had so much fun creating this with you guys. Today's featured artist is Jack. He really nailed this bingo drawing. Look at all the details that he added in. I am so impressed. Keep up the great work, Jack. I can't wait to see what you do next. If you would like to become our next featured artist, ask an adult to go to artsywithmariah.com. Remember, the sky is the limit when it comes to your imagination, so keep drawing and keep dreaming. I'll see you guys on my next artsy adventure.
Remember to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all things Artsy with Mariah. Until next time, toodaloo, my artsy friends.